It is time for the stateroom tour of an infinite balcony promenade view on Royal Caribbean Icon of the Seas. This is room 12243, and let's go. Look at this. It's got what I call the tequila sunrise colored sea pass cards. Very fancy. I'm on the I'm on the 3-night preview sailing, so I don't know if that's permanent or just for the preview sailing, but first thing you look at the room, look at these indirect lightings. Really nice, modern, and contemporary. We got some swag, but we'll get to that in a minute. Here's the bathroom. And it is a standard bath. It got some little shelves on the side. Your sink, you got a good coverage there. You're not gonna bang your head on the sink. Nice size shower, actually. It's got a bench. Wonder how many people showered in this already. Not many. This is only on the 3rd preview sailing. And the closet's over here. Got a full-length mirror. Let me put my board over there. So the closet has some nice little shoe racks, and it even comes with, look at that. I really don't think you need these. Could do without those. I would have just put stuff in there. But anyway, closet, you have a larger hanging. That, I have no idea what that is. Here is the regular closet. Remind me to find the safe. There's your TV, nice shelvings. You have outlets, USB, shelvings, nice contemporary look, large sofa. Looks like this does pull out to sleep people. And here you have your fridge. You have some drawers. And this is an interesting feature. This is the infinite balcony portion. Now it serves 2 functions. One, you can leave the window up and it's under air space additional to your room. So you have a little sitting area with indoor type furniture. You can make it into a balcony. When you put the window down though, it shuts off your air. So I'm gonna do a test. Listen how quiet it is. Okay, now we're gonna open the window. You can stop. You can open it as far as you want. You can go all the way with it. Go all the way with it. I'm not sure what this other button is for, but we're gonna find out. So we're gonna open that. All right. So the band's not playing, so that's not too bad. When the band's playing, it's pretty loud. So there's a nice view. And in all essence, you have a balcony. But the problem is, with your balcony door, with your balcony window down, you don't have air conditioning. So if you have wet clothes you want to dry, and you like to put them on your balcony, you're gonna be trading off no air conditioning. So I would not personally get one of these rooms in the future. This was a complimentary cruise, a 3-night preview sailing, so I had no choice, but I would not get one of these if it was me. So you can see the room though. So I'm probably gonna keep this up most of the time because of the air conditioning. I mean, it's not cold out, but it's probably in the 70s. So at night it could be comfortable. You know, you could leave that down, it'd be kind of cool, but. So now, let's see what this other thing is for. There's the band playing. Let's see if we can quiet down. What is this for? Oh, wait a minute. There is a blackout. Check it out. Now you know. You just push that button down and it is a blackout in addition to these. That is so cool. That is so cool. And you push it once and it will go up. It's all or none on this one. So that is your stateroom balcony, 12243 Central Park interior balcony on Royal Caribbean Icon of the Seas. Wait. Did we find the safe yet? No safe. No safe. Where else could the safe possibly be in here? No. Okay. So if I find the safe, I will add it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, please. And peace out. All right, one more thing to show you. The space under the bed is huge. Biggest space I've ever seen. You could definitely fit a large suitcase under here. It comes up to here. So it's gotta be at least 2 feet high. At least 2 feet high. So I did not find the safe, by the way. So thanks for watching. All right, it's time for a room tour of Infinite Balcony Central Park View 12243 on Royal Caribbean Icon of the Seas. Oops, dropped my card.